the next video in this series, which is what I call easier than you think. This part is what we call getting started. Okay, and this is really where you get up and running. And this could be a day after you enroll with Seora. It could be 2 or 3 days after you enrolled with Seora. It could be 3 or 4 months after you've enrolled into Seora and become an independent distributor. It doesn't matter, but just get started. And what does that mean? Okay, you enrolled with Seora, you became an independent distributor, an independent retailer for $49 per year. You got your own Seora Business Center, you've got your own virtual office, you purchased a product package, and you've been on a few conference calls and maybe you've been on a couple of webinars. So you get a pretty good idea of really how this business starts to operate. So how do you really take all that and put it all together and get started? You need to start talking to people. Now, once again, when you're confused, and sometimes this is a little apprehensive for a lot of people have a lot of apprehension of getting started because they're still a little bit confused. Okay? Let's take that confusion and push that aside and take that confusion and turn it into confidence and turn it into competence. So what does that mean? Ignorance under fire is significantly more powerful than knowledge on ice. Okay, so let's talk about that again. Ignorance on fire is significantly more powerful than knowledge on ice. And what I mean is that you have somebody who is really excited about this business. Let's say you're an independent retailer with Seora. You've gotten on some of these conference calls and these webinars and you're excited. You don't know the first thing about what you're doing, but you're excited about this business. You've used the products, you love the products, and you're excited. And you just start sharing it with people. That is 90% of the battle right there. Get excited about it, talk to people, and just, you could even stumble over your words. You guys got to get together with me. You guys got to check this out. I've seen people build this business and build very good incomes with this business that do not know what they're doing. But because of the fact that they're excited about this product, they're excited about this business, got other people excited about it as well. And what they've done is they've taken ignorance on fire and run with it, and have run with it. And what I mean by that is they don't know exactly what they're doing, but man, I'm so excited about this. You got to check this out. Here, try this chip. I know you have sleep issues. Try this Rust Quiet chip. I know you have energy issues. Try this Pure Energy chip. Or wear my wristband. I want you to wear this. Or I know you've got chronic pain issues. I want you to put this Pure Relief chip on, and I want you to tell me what you think. Okay? And then what ends up happening is their friends get excited about this product. And then their friends come back to them and they're like, okay, you got to tell me more about this. This is amazing. I haven't slept that good in years. My shoulder problem is not, my pain went from like a 10 to like a 3. Tell me more. I need to know more. And then their ignorance on fire. They're like, you know what, I don't know. But get on this conference call. I know they'll talk about it. Or, I don't know. But there's a webinar taking place tonight. Come over to my house and we'll watch the webinar together. Or, I don't know the answer to that. Let me dial up my friend Ryan. I know he's got the answers. We'll do a 3-way call. Ryan, my friend's got questions. Can you answer them? Yes? Okay, here you go. And that's ignorance on fire. That's what builds huge organizations. Versus knowledge on ice. You get these people and they need to know everything. They sign up with Seora. They become an independent retailer. They might not have even purchased a product package. So they don't really know the first thing about the product. They don't have an experience with it. So they're not really excited about it. But the excuse they're making is, well, I want to know everything first. I want to understand everything first. So they spend like weeks and weeks and weeks looking at their website. They spend weeks and weeks and weeks thinking about what they need to do. They're shuffling papers and they're just getting ready to get ready to get ready to get started. Okay? And then time comes and they end up knowing a lot of stuff. They end up dialing in on conference calls and watching webinars and looking at their website all the time and logging into their virtual office and shuffling papers and, you know, organizing their desk and preparing to get started and never talk to anybody. And that's what I call knowledge on ice. So Be somewhere in between, but if anything, be ignorance on fire, because when you're excited about this product, you're a product of this product, and you're excited about this product. You're excited about the opportunity behind it to be able to generate an income sharing something that you love. That's when people begin to see your excitement and it becomes contagious, and people want to start doing what you're doing. They want to be a part of what you're doing. So that's my suggestion to you. Participate, understand, start talking to people, start sharing this with people, and you don't have to know everything, because there are tools in place that will do all the explaining for you.